Julian Smith has been performing around the world as DJ October for over a decade and has been based in Bristol since the late 90s. We spoke to him about his experiences and stance on modern electronic music.
The last 10 years it's really sort of changed, maybe a little less, but there was a brief period, like, I don't know, 2000 to 2003, 2004, where everything was just garage and dubstep, and I was just making techno on my own, and now it's become this like crazy thing, and it's everywhere, and it's amazing. Like, so it's really cool, but I think Bristol's completely different to what it used to be.
Don't touch me, talk to me, don't touch me, I want my honey. Don't touch me.
Musically speaking, how is Bristol different as opposed to elsewhere in the UK?
I want my money, I want my honey, don't touch me.
Bristol is amazing, I think. I really love it in Manchester. I mean, I think the UK in general is pretty amazing, and I think Bristol in terms of like unique places to party and the sort of DIY culture that's still rooted in, you know, sound system culture, even though everything's quite housey right now and stuff. Like, I don't know, everything is still quite punk in my little circle, you know, and what young Echo guys are doing, and like, you know, Slack Alice and Max Keena, and you know all of those guys. You know, it's like Bristol's really like on the map for quite edgy things. So yeah, it's great.
How do you find writing and performing solo?
I mean, I've been in bands before, so it's a completely different writing process. Maybe for me it means that like punk is not just honed down to one genre, so it's not like, you know, standard 3-piece guitar sort of 3-chord setup. I think punk descends that maybe DIY is the more sort of like correct term, but I've always thought like house and techno, which is like, you know, gay black music, is more punk than actually punk. So I guess I just mean a more sort of like less corporate, independent approach to music.